see Joseph Vijay Anna.
First day, first show. One last time. One last whistle. One last entry scene. One last 183-minute journey with actor Vijay on the big screen. The day has finally arrived. For lakhs of Vijay fans out here, this is not just another first day, first show. It is the curtain call of a superstar who ruled the silver screen for more than 3 decades. And here at Chennai's iconic Rohini Theatre, emotions are running high as fans get ready to welcome Jananayagan.
Ever since I was a kid, the song that I listened to, the movie that I watched, the dialogues that I spoke, the outfit that I wore, everything, I've been inspired by that guy. It's very emotional to me. I'm going to miss Talapati a lot. Even though he's become Chief Minister, the feeling that we will miss our Ilay Talapati, Talapati Vijay will always lie so close to our heart.
From giant cutouts and colorful banners to drums, dancing and celebrations, the atmosphere here is festive. What makes this release even more special is that Jananayagan is Joseph Vijay's final film. After entertaining audience for more than 30 years, Vijay has stepped away from cinema to focus fully on politics. Today he is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, making truly a historic release. The journey of Jananayagan has been bumpy.
See Joseph Vijay Anna. That was the ultimate mass which he gave in real life. Like I thought that he should have worked with S.S. Rajamouli sir because he would have taken out the full potential. But that he recreated the Bahubali scene, Amrendra Bahubali Anna, that exact same thing. See Joseph Vijay Anna. In real life, he gave us a mass moment, biggest mass moment.
What is your favorite Vijay film?
Mine is my own film, Tupaki. I worked with him as a sister in his movie Tupaki. So that is actually, I believe, the turning point of his career.
The film, originally scheduled to release in January around Pongal, was delayed for several months. There was CBFC certification issues. There was an election in between. Political push and pull, all alleged, none confirmed. After several cuts, changes and legal clearances, the film is finally hitting the theatres worldwide. Even before its release, the film has been making headlines. Despite online leaks and months of delay, trade experts are expecting a huge opening at the global box office. Now all eyes are on big question. Jananayagan became Vijay's biggest opener. For the fans gathered here, the numbers are immaterial. For them, it's more than an emotional on-screen goodbye for their favorite film star. They have grown up watching Vijay's films, celebrated every first day first show, and now they are here to witness what is billed as his final appearance on the big screen.
I think we all have to celebrate here, and we are so emotional that it's our last film, our Talapati's last film, and he's our nostalgic hero as well.
Absolutely, the title card of the Jananayagan, that CM Vijay, Joseph Vijay, we are expecting that.
So about the plot, we thought there's going to be politics, and we think it's going to be politics. And Jananayagan, it's his last film. No matter what its film title is, we'll watch it as its festival. Yeah.
Many fans have travelled from different parts of Tamil Nadu, neighbouring states and even other countries just to be a part of this historic moment. As the countdown to the first show continues, the excitement is only getting bigger. Every cheer, every dance performance, every slogan and every celebration outside this theatre reflects the strong bond between Vijay and his fans. For one last time, the whistles will echo, the celebrations will begin and the curtains will rise for a Talapati film. Whether Jananayagan creates new box office records or not, one thing is certain, this is a day that Vijay fans will remember for years. One last first day first show, one last celebration, and I guess, personally, one last reporting for a Vijay movie. From Rohini Theatre in Chennai, this is Vijay Raghavan reporting for the Federal.